and welcome to this week's episode of Fintech on Friday. My name is Shalika, and I'm a lead designer at Fincite. Today, we're going to talk about the first step of the design thinking process. It's called Understand, and this is where we usually organize our facilitated workshops. Unfortunately, nowadays, workshops and meetings are two words used synonymously. At Fincite, however, we differentiate both, and we use the workshop format to effectively kickstart innovation and collaboration at the beginning of each project. A workshop is a framework and time-box combination of exercises done by a group of people and a facilitator to reach a goal, whatever the goal may be. We have workshops we're really passionate about, such as the 3-hour brand sprint, the really well-known 4 days design sprint, or the post-usability test affinity mapping workshop, each applicable to different types of customer, from groundbreaking startups to established financial institutions looking to start an innovation. Regardless of the duration and type of workshop, we use the following framework as our guide. First, gather and scope. As a starting point, participants collect business challenges, data, or ideas and visualize these in a workshop space visible by everyone. Here we define the scope of the workshop. Second, focus and vote. Next up, everyone votes on which challenges to focus on and aligns her understanding on what the group should be working on. This ensures everyone to produce only relevant ideas in the next step. Third, create and vote. To get the most diverse and effective solutions, every team member and stakeholder turn their solution ideas into tangible sketches or flowcharts, which get voted again afterwards. 4. Prioritize. As the last step, the facilitator helps participants to effectively prioritize solutions into actionable next steps. Using this framework, we have facilitated workshops for our customers, both in person in our Frankfurt office or remotely using video calls and mirror boards. To summarize, our well-planned workshops can effectively kickstart innovation through inclusion of both business stakeholders and operational team members, strictly time-boxed and facilitated brainstorming exercises, tangible sketching sessions, and actionable takeaways. In design thinking, this is just the beginning of the journey. In the next episode, we will come back next week with usability testing. That's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels, leave us a comment, or share the video. See you next time here on Fintech on Fridays.